Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Custom 3D. Now today is going to be an interesting video. My friend Daily drives a 68 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. It's gold, or I like to call it, it's yellow. And he wants to put air suspension in it. So for this, it obviously needs a controller. And I'm going to make a mount for the trunk to put this controller in. So it's dark out, so please bear with me. He's gonna be holding the flashlight, and we're gonna show you before I design it and print it what it's gonna be like. So thanks guys, stay tuned.
So this is an airbag module for air suspension. What's gonna happen is he's gonna make a bracket to mount this to up off the floor, because when it's discharging air, it vibrates a lot and will annoy the driver. So there's going to be a compressor on each side, a tank in the back, and they're going to feed into this module, and then this module sends the air out to each of the airbags in the suspension.
Alrighty guys, so you've seen the car and what we're going to be doing here, so let's get to designing. I also want to introduce you to Connor. That's the guy who owns the car. Yeah, he's a junk. Alrighty guys, now that the print is finished, let's see how it fits. So unfortunately it did peel up slightly in one of these corners, that one, but that shouldn't affect anything. And I also got the holes wrong, kind of wrong, but they'll line up. Just make them line up. But I think that this would work a little bit. Maybe it might need to be a little thicker, but it's not as flexible as I wanted it to be. Thinking I'm going to use the Sane Smart TPU that I have, so a little bit softer. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully when he puts it all into the trunk of the car, we can get something that'll work a little bit better, and he can keep it there and it'll just be something cool to have in his car. So make sure to check out all the social media links in the description below. Also check out matterhackers.com, and if you're interested in anything 3D printed. Thanks guys, catch you later.